Hello my dear students, good morning to all. And in the last 3 videos we have discussed about literature work, but in this video we will start grammar work and we are going to start chapter 4. As you can see on your screen, chapter 4 is pronouns. So tell me, have you ever heard this word pronouns before? Okay, if no, then I am going to tell you the meaning of pronoun. Pronoun is called सर्वनाम in Hindi. हिंदी में pronoun को सर्वनाम कहते हैं. As you know the definition of सर्वनाम, सर्वनाम किसे कहते हैं? Can you tell me? सर्वनाम किसे कहते हैं? So here you can see a pronoun is a word, it means सर्वनाम. A pronoun is a word which takes the place of a noun. प्रोनाउन एक ऐसा वर्ड है जो कि नाउन के प्लेस पर यूज किया जाता है. इट मीन्स नाउन, वी नो नाउन, किसी भी चीज का नाम नाउन कहलाता है. एंड देयर आर डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ प्रोनाउंस, और यहाँ पर कह रहे हैं देयर आर डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ प्रोनाउन. इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट योर बुक, देयर आर 8 काइंड्स ऑफ प्रोनाउंस आर गिवन इन योर बुक. सो बिफोर वी आर गोइंग टू discuss about its different parts, let me show you a paragraph. By this paragraph we can easily understand what is pronoun. Here passage A is given, as you can see. Let me zoom. Here read the passage given below, and a definition is also written. A pronoun is a word. Here you can see a pronoun is a word that is used in place of noun. नाउन के प्लेस पर जो वर्ड हम लोग यूज करते हैं दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रोनाउन. वी कैन रिप्लेस अ नाउन विद अ प्रोनाउन, और हम लोग प्रोनाउन को क्या करते हैं, नाउन की जगह यूज करते हैं. हियर आई एम गोइंग टू रीड द पैसेज 1 इज नेहा हैज एन 11-year-old son called Rohan. Neha and Rohan live in Kolkata. Rohan studies in class 6. Rohan loves to browse the internet. Again, Neha has an 11-year-old son called Rohan. Neha and Rohan live in Kolkata. Rohan studies in class 6. Rohan loves to browse the internet. Rohan introduced Rohan's mother to the internet. Neha now uses Neha and Rohan's computer whenever Neha finds time. First, we are going to underline nouns. Here, Neha has an 11-year-old son called Rohan. Neha and Rohan are also nouns. Then Rohan again, noun used. Rohan again, Rohan again, Neha. Then this is nouns. What we have to do, we have to replace these nouns. Replace these nouns and we will use the word pronoun. Here in passage B, we can easily understand by going through the second paragraph. It means second passage. Now let's start. Here you can see, first here you can see Neha has an 11-year-old son called Rohan. So Neha has an 11-year-old son called Rohan as it is written. Then second, Neha and Rohan. Neha and Rohan. Neha and Rohan. In place of Neha and Rohan, in the second passage a word is used they. In place of Neha and Rohan, which word is used? They. So they is a pronoun. They is pronoun. It means they word replaces noun Neha and Rohan. कहने का मतलब ये है कि नेहा और रोहन की जगह पर हमने कौन सा वर्ड यूज किया? दे. सो ये दे वर्ड जो हो गया ये आपका क्या हो गया? pronoun. They live in Kolkata. Rohan studies in class 6. Same. Rohan studies in class 6. Then again, Rohan loves to browse the internet. Here, 2 times Rohan and Rohan are used. It means we can replace this Rohan with the word he. Here you can see, he loves to browse the internet. So, this word is called pronoun. This word is pronoun. Which word is used in place of Rohan? रोहन की जगह कौन सा प्रोनाउन यूज हुआ है? ही. अगर यहाँ रिचा होता then we will use she. Then again you can see here Rohan introduced Rohan's mother to the internet. Again we will replace the word Rohan with word he. This is pronoun. He introduced his mother to it. She now uses their computer whenever she finds time. Here you can see Neha now. In place of Neha, the word she is used. So this is pronoun. Uses Neha and Rohan's computer. Neha and Rohan's computer. Here you can see their. In place of Neha and Rohan's computer, a word is used is called their. Their means unka. This is also pronoun. Whenever she finds time. Whenever Neha finds time, in place of Neha we used she. So, we can easily understand the word which is used in place of noun is called pronoun. Just like he, she, it, they, her, himself, mine, yours. Here what you have to remember, a pronoun occupies the same position as a noun in a sentence. Like a noun, a pronoun also plays a role of a subject, direct object, indirect object in a sentence. It shares similar grammatical characteristics with noun. Now here you can see types of pronoun. A picture of types of pronoun is given. Pronouns are of different types. Pronouns are of different types. The following diagram lists the different types of pronoun. Here pronouns, how many types are given? 6. Here you can see first one is personal pronoun. Personal pronoun is further divided into 2 parts, subjective and objective. Then second is possessive, third demonstrative, fourth relative pronoun, fifth interrogative pronoun, and sixth is reflexive pronoun. Now we are going to read through your book. Here you can see personal pronoun. First one is personal pronoun, जिसे हम हिंदी में व्यक्तिवाचक सर्वनाम भी कहते हैं. Now it is saying that what is personal pronoun? Personal pronoun. Personal pronouns are the words used in place of name of person, animal or thing. It means personal pronoun ऐसे शब्द को कहा जाता है जिसे हम लोग किसी व्यक्ति के नाम की जगह, किसी एनिमल के नेम की जगह और किसी वस्तु के नाम की जगह यूज करते हैं. As I already told you, there are 2 types of personal pronoun. First one is subjective and second is objective. Here personal pronouns are used as subject of a verb. Then second, personal pronouns are used as the object of a verb. Here personal pronoun, just like subject, the pronoun denoting persons, animals, things performing the action in the sentence is used as a subject. Here we will understand by seeing the example. Here Tahir has gone to the shop. Here who is the subject? Tahir, and he performs some action in a sentence. Here Tahir has gone to the shop. Now we will replace Tahir with the word he. He has bought an apple. He has bought an apple. So in the above sentence, the pronoun he shows what Tahir did in the shop. यहाँ पे हम लोग ये समझ रहे हैं कि पहले तो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में ये बोला है कि ताहिर हैज गॉन टू द शॉप. ताहिर मार्केट इट मीन शॉप पर गया है. देन व्हाट ही डिड, उसने क्या किया शॉप पर जाकर. ही हैज बॉट एन एप्पल. इट मीन्स यहाँ सब्जेक्ट के वर्ब, जो सब्जेक्ट का वर्क है वो यहाँ पर शो किया गया है. दैट इज ही बॉट एन एप्पल. ही बॉट एन एप्पल. सो दिस इज सब्जेक्टिव केस. नाउ सेकेंड इज ऑब्जेक्ट. पर्सनल pronouns as an object. The personal pronouns like me, मैं, you, तुम, him, her, where, it, us, them can be used as the object of the verb, such as here Tahir has bought an apple. Here Tahir has bought an apple. Tahir has bought an apple. He is enjoying it. He is enjoying it. Now this is the objective. Now in place of an apple, what it is used? It. So this is a personal pronoun. It means object. Then I am doing my homework. Father is helping me. So which word is used as object? Me. Now next, if we will go through the paragraph, here you can see personal pronoun. Passage B. Passage B. Anita has an 11-year-old son called Rohan. They live in Kolkata. Rohan studies in class 6. He loves to browse the internet. He introduced his mother to it. She now uses their computer whenever she finds time. Now you can see in the passage B the pronouns. Here you can see he, she, they and it replace the noun. Here they, he, his, she, their. These are the words which are used in place of noun. So we can say Rohan and Anita, Rohan and Anita, Anita and Rohan's internet. These words are used. Remember what you have to keep in mind in the above passage, the nouns that the pronouns, it means the nouns that the pronouns, it means he, she, they, it replace are either persons, वो persons भी हो सकते हैं, आपके जो noun है वो persons भी हो सकते हैं, और even things, जो nouns है वो object भी हो सकते हैं, things भी हो सकते हैं. Now first person I and we, second person you, third person he, she, it and they. It means we can see that the person speaking, जो बात कर रहा है, just like me, I, we, and the person spoken to, जिससे बात हो रही है, just like you, and the person spoken of, और जिसके बारे में बात हो रही है, that is third person he, she, it and they.